Subscribers, it's me, Abby. Today is a snowstorm day. Yesterday it was a little snow, but this time it's snowing. I'll show you outside what it looks like. So the snow looks like that. So see, it's very cold for you to stay inside. And snow comes from here. When you step on the snow, it might get into your shoe. And once you get over that, you might get shoe from your snow. The reason why I don't want to play in the snow because you don't play in the snow because I don't want to ride bikes. That will make the wheel kind of wrinkle. That's why we don't like outside.
Krisha, you like to make a snowman?
Yeah. So we can build a snowman.
want my
but
glove.
the snow is cold.
Huh?
It's real cold.
Enna Krisha?
Love this.
Ooh, it's too cold. Ulla ba?
Yes. Well, thank you for subscribing to my videos. We'll see you in the next one. We're gonna do a science project. See you later, guys.